To make a reservation for someone else, you must already have the option that allows you to access the planning, the workspace locations of individuals, manage the schedule, and make reservations for another person. Here, we will be able to select the person for whom we need to make a reservation. Emile Gravier, for example. Emile Gravier is assigned to building a red area, so I can directly book for him in this area. Reserve a workstation in the red area, and I will thus define the reservation workstation. Given that today is April 7th, I have the option to confirm attendance to avoid no-shows. And I can reserve a workstation for the 8th. If I want to assign Emile Gravier to building B or to any other building where the reservation is possible, I can add building B to the assignment of Emile Gravier and thus directly reserve on Thursday, April 9th, for the entire building B. I can change the person and request André Massena. André Massena is in the green area. I can reserve a workstation for him in the green area, also on Wednesday the 8th, and I can assign him to other areas if I need to reserve in another building, and so on. I change the people, and I can assign all the people I want to the building I want. If I reserve for a person who is not assigned anywhere, like Guillaume-Marie and Brune, I have the option to declare him in building A, building B, or any building that can accommodate reservations. Guillaume-Marie Brune is assigned to building A, and I can reserve a workstation for him on the appropriate floor.
With the third-party reservation option, you can also, in planning, work location of people, create external units, and assign them to buildings. A person who does not exist in the database can be created as a guest for a specified duration. Create a guest. I choose the start date, July 16th to the 18th, and I fill in the first name, last name, email address. I can then create the guest. The guest appears in the list of guests here. I can delete the guest at any time by clicking on the trash can. He signed an assignment building for his reservation and reserved exactly like any other person by reserving a workstation on the desired level. Once the period has passed, the guest is automatically deleted.